Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to the channel. Last video was about to the Python and we have started the Pythons and we went over to the syntax of the Python and how we write a simple program in Python. So today we are talking about the Python variables. Variables, the concept is same which we did in last videos or in last tutorials on PHP or in HTML or in JavaScript. So variables like a container, okay, where you store your data values, okay. So in Python, basically we have no command for declaring a variable. So how we create a simple variable in Python? It's very easy. We just need to take some two variables. I'm saying I'm taking this variable one, and second, let's say I'm taking variable c, and here I'm storing the value 10 in it. And in simple, how we how we output the screen, okay, how we display the results. So we use the print function in Python. So this print function I'm using, and then I just need to be say add q and c. There is no need for the semicolon at the end of the line. So we are just running this one, and once we click on this run button, as you see, this result is displaying on my screen, this 31 as it is displaying after adding this. We remember, as I am using the anaconda distribution and I have opened the spider, okay, for writing a Python program. So installation link I will provide you in the comment box, so you can easily download the anaconda distribution. And in anaconda we have this spider. So this is how you can create a simple variables and how you add these two variables. Same like, let's say one variable I have taken 21, and say second variable I am taking, let's say, someone name. So I have taken this second one as a variable name. So now what I'm saying first print q, and then I am saying use another one that is called print sorry print, and here I am using the c1 variable as well. So once I have done this one, now if I run this program, so you will see what will be displayed in my browser. As you see, on in the first it will says 21 as it is, because I am not adding or subtracting anything, so 21 is displaying as it is. And in second line it is displaying the name, okay. So this is how, let's say I want to add q plus c, whether it will add or not. Let's see, will it add the integer into the variable or not? Obviously not. Unspotted operand type, okay, you cannot add the you say integer into the string, okay. So we will discuss later that how we add the string, and how we add the string into integer. So this is how you can declare a simple variables, okay. So variables do not need to be declared with any particular type, and can even change type after they have been set, okay. So same like, one more thing which I need to be tell you. Let's say this is this queue I have declared. Now what I want to say, I'm saying that print, in print function I need to be say what type is this, okay. So we are using this type. Tell me the type, what the type I have declared on the top, just return it to me, that one. So once I click on this green button to run the code, it will return that this is belongs to the class integer, okay. So this is how you can return the any variable which you declared, okay. Like here you declared 21.0, let's see. So once you run this code, it will let you know whether it's a float or not. Yes, it is saying this is belongs to the class float. So once you have done this one, now let me rename and also putting. Now what I need to be say, I'm not saying that convert into this float, okay. So here I need to be say the float one. So once I have done this one, now I am saying the integer which I declared on the top, you need to convert in the float. So here you just need to give what, q, the variable which I have declared. Now it will convert this into float. Let me run this code. So once I have run this, as you see in the output screen, we have 21.0. So it converts this integer into float. Same like, if you take here any character, let's say I'm declaring any character, Let me declare this one. Now I am saying to convert this into float. Let's see what it will throw to me. Yes, add string could not convert string to float. Okay, add string, we know very well that we cannot convert float to the string. Okay, but you can convert string into float or float into string. Let's say instead for this one, if I say here I am taking a string. Sorry, here I am taking a float. Now I am saying convert into the int. So integer I have declared. Now once I run this code, it will say yes, successfully converted, and it will display 23 in my output screen. So this is, guys, how you declare the variables and how you get the type, as well, and how you convert from one data type into another data type. We remember, you observed many times that whenever you are declaring any integer, you are using the quotes. Okay, so you can use a single as well as double quotes. There is no restriction. Let me show you how. So here I am using the double quotes as well. Now this one. So once I have done this one, now I'm calling the print function to print this one. Now here I'm saying q, and in second line I want to print the another one, so I'm saying the w. So once I have done this one, now let me run this code. As you see, as this is displaying separately in separate lines, so there is no restriction that whether you have written in a single quotes or in double quotes. There are some case sensitive variable names are case sensitive, in other programming languages, that you cannot start with a number, or you can say variable must start with a letter or underscore characters, or a variable name cannot start with a number, or variable uh, can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive like other programming languages. Like if I say this one, this age, and this one, these two are different things. Okay, python will treat these two as a different. Okay, so these are the case sensitive. These age are different variables, so variable names cannot be any of the python keyword, we remember. um, so you cannot give any python keyword in variable names. Like we have a keyword else in python, we have the elif statement. Okay, so we cannot give same like we have the for the function declaring, we have the keyword that is the def, so we cannot create a variable with the def. So guys, this is how you create a variables in the python. I hope so guys you like today's video. You know very well now how you create a variables and how you add same like you can multiply, subtract, or whatever, and how you convert from one data type into another, and how you can get the type functions to return the variable type whatever you declared on the top. So guys, if you like my video, kindly do like, subscribe, and share me to in next video. Take care and thank you.